Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of Europe's most iconic dishes, steak frite. This French classic is more than just steak and fries. It's a culinary masterpiece with a fascinating history and some secrets you probably didn't know. So, grab your fork, and let's dig in. Steak frite, which translates to steak and fries, is a staple in French and Belgian cuisine. This dish combines a perfectly seared steak with crispy, golden fries, simple yet sophisticated, and oh so satisfying. But where did this iconic dish come from? Let's uncover its origins and some lesser-known facts. Many believe steak frite originated in France, but some say its roots lie in Belgium, the birthplace of French fries. Belgian taverns served fried potatoes alongside grilled meat as early as the 18th century. Did you know that steak frite started as a working-class meal? It was inexpensive, hearty, and quick to prepare. Over time, it made its way into upscale brasseries and Michelin-starred restaurants. In Europe, fries are serious business. The best steak frite use hand-cut potatoes, fried twice for that perfect crunch on the outside and fluffy texture inside. The choice of potato is equally crucial, with varieties like bintje being a favorite in Belgium. It's not just about the steak and fries. The sauce is the unsung hero. Béarnaise, peppercorn, or even a simple garlic butter can elevate the flavors to a whole new level. In some regions, you'll even find creative twists like red wine reductions. The cut of steak used in steak frite varies. While ribeye and sirloin are common, some chefs prefer tenderloin for its buttery texture. The choice of cut can change the dish's flavor profile entirely. In Belgium, steak frite is almost a national dish, found in nearly every café and brasserie. It's often paired with a cold Belgian beer, making it a meal to remember. There's an ongoing debate between France and Belgium over the proper fry style. The French lean towards thinner fries, while the Belgians champion thicker, heartier cuts. Steak frite has crossed borders and become a global favorite. From Paris to New York, you'll find variations in seasoning, steak cuts, and even the way fries are prepared. Now, let me show you how to make steak frite at home. The key is to start with a well-marbled steak, season it generously, and sear it in a hot pan. As for the fries, double frying is a must for that perfect crunch. Steak frite became popularized in French brasseries, casual yet elegant restaurants that served quick, affordable meals for city workers. The dish's simplicity and versatility made it a staple on these menus, often paired with a glass of red wine. Fries, or pommes frites, were initially sold by street vendors in the 18th century. They were a popular snack for laborers before being elevated into a gourmet side dish when paired with steak in finer establishments. Steak frite has been served at numerous diplomatic events in Europe. It is seen as a dish that's both sophisticated and approachable, making it a safe choice to please international palates during formal dinners. In Lyon, often considered the gastronomic capital of France, steak frite is a regional favorite. Chefs in this area are known for their exceptional sauces, which often accompany the dish. During World War II, steak frite gained popularity because it used accessible ingredients. Steak cuts like flank or hanger steak were economical, and potatoes were readily available, making it an ideal meal during tough times. In traditional French cooking, steaks for steak frite are often served rare or medium rare to preserve the flavor and tenderness of the meat. This is in contrast to the well-done steaks often preferred in other cultures. Authentic European fries are often cooked in beef or duck fat instead of vegetable oil. This method adds a rich, savory flavor that complements the steak perfectly. In French brasseries, steak frite is frequently featured as the plat du jour, dish of the day. It's a comforting, crowd-pleasing option that draws locals and tourists alike. In some regions, fries served with steak frite are sprinkled with malt vinegar, a practice borrowed from British traditions. This adds a tangy kick to the dish, contrasting beautifully with the richness of the steak. In Quebec, Canada, steak frite has become a popular dish, heavily influenced by French cuisine. Many local restaurants serve it with poutine, a combination of fries, cheese curds, and gravy, adding a Canadian twist. Steak frite played a pivotal role in the rise of bistros in the 19th century. Its quick preparation and universal appeal made it an ideal dish for these small, casual dining establishments. With the rise of plant-based diets, vegetarian versions of steak frite have been developed. Instead of steak, chefs use hearty substitutes like portobello mushrooms or seared tofu, paired with the classic fries. So, there you have it, steak frite, a dish that's simple yet packed with history, flavor, and European charm. Whether you're in a cozy Belgian cafe or a bustling Parisian bistro, this dish never fails to impress. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through Europe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food stories from around the world. Bon appétit and see you next time.